Model, 2012 Volkswagen Caddy Maxi C20 Diesel 1.6 TDI 102PS Low mileage clean van. Smile. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 85,183. MOT, 27 February 2024. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102 PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. Needs multiple injectors replacing. The engine is 100% perfect. Just needs at least X2 injectors. Prepare for replacing them all. Nice simple cheap repair grin. Let's get this back on the road. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, part service history, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,095. Click the link.